leak detection.
You have leak detection?
Yeah.
So where is that?
Communication.
What is tag number?
No, detect system.
Sorry?
This is a system, the detection system. Okay.
Okay. Now I want to know that there is a pipeline.
Yeah.
And when there is a rupture, this PALL will work.
Yeah.
If this does not work, you have got another PLL at BAB CDS.
Yes.
This is second. And third, you have got LDS system in the pipeline.
Yeah.
You have LDS?
Yes. We mentioned in the hazard recommendation.
This is recommendation.
Not safeguards.
Where is mentioned?
Move up in the above sheets. Move up. Move above sheets. Yes.
Oh, okay. So this will be very good. This is very good. So this I can take. Leak detection. This is very good safeguard.
So the network is the upstream.
So for LDS is very good because LDS will let you know that there is a leakage in the pipeline.
Yeah.
So LDS is a BPCS or LDS is going to give only indication or they are going to make some ESD?
Indication, I think.
Indication will not have. I want alarm. I want alarm.
This is alarm. Can consider
Alarm the operator.
If you have opened the BID,
so no problem. I will
note in the BID itself. Just a minute. The kitchen system.
I will put here. Alarm will come. ALA alarm will come on confirmed leak, right?
Yes. Yeah, fiber optical. This external leak detection system.
This is this one. Okay.
17. No, not 17 yet.
So guys, if you see here my screen, I will start from beginning. We are taking this PSTL 1305. So what is the PT number, old PT number?
PT. What again?
PT number? PL, this one, 1305X1. PT 1305-X1. X1 oblique?
Yeah, X1, 2, 3.
X1, 2, oblique C. Old number, old number, correct. So if this PT does not work, the function of this PT is to change the low pressure in the downstream of the pipeline of 33 km, 36 inch.
Yeah.
So this will continuously leak, and this can also have the injury to people. So injury to people is the highest one is 3. But I would say that if there is some person, this is not 3. This will be like same thing because same oil is coming. If you see IPS, MPS, we have taken 5. So why we have considered 3 here? Don't worry about the probability. If the same oil is coming from the MPS to IPS to MP21, the severity remains same. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Because we have taken 5 there. So I would correct it to 5 and then we'll see. Are you getting me? Because you have taken 5 for LOPC, for IPS and MPS. So let us consider 5 and then we'll see. I will make a note here.
Let's check 5 again.
Let us go for that and we'll see. So here I'm okay because there is an unmanned area 0.1 and the leakage is a MOL pump leakage or anywhere. And underground pipeline for 33 kilometers, the probability IEL is 0.0033. In a shutting event, enabling event, none. And there are 2 safeguard 0.1 here, leak detection system on alarm, and this one. So even if you consider 5, this is not still rated. Very good.
Okay.
I will make a note here. SEAL team has upgraded the severity to people.
So Sabab is more conservative.
Sorry?
More conservative.
Yeah, more conservative, yes.
Yeah.
We see why I'm saying more conservative, because in MPS we have taken 5.
Yeah.
In IPS we have taken 5. So let us make consistent. And we are happy because the conservative to 5 as the team has even CONSI considered 5 severity in IPS and MPS during LOPC Yes, E and A are you right? Okay, guys. So considering these two independent IPL, we are going for 0.33 RRF and not accelerated. So this we will have the same approach. Okay. So this we have done MP21. What else?
Nothing. Now we're done 21.
Okay. So now what we can do, if you can come here with your laptop,
Okay.
so we can correct the tag number of.
You can finish that now. The same as this.
I'm happy. You bring your operation. I told the by the same thing because Bob operation not here.
Should normal.
Yeah. So Ajay, can you come here with your laptop? With your laptop. We will correct the IPS. We change the tag number of IPS.